everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning by Pooja. In the last video we have learned different terms used in subtraction like minuend, subtrahend and the difference. And today we are going to learn how to check the answers of the subtraction sum. So let's start. Yes, to check the answer of the subtraction sum, what we have to do is, this is our sum. This is minuend, subtrahend and we have subtracted. And we have got the result, we have got the difference is 223. Now if we want to check कि हमने ये सम ठीक किया है कि नहीं किया है, then what to do? We will add subtrahend and difference together. Subtrahend और difference को हम एक साथ add कर देंगे. अगर हमारा minuend आ गया, if we got our minuend, then it means that we have done our sum correctly. अगर हमने subtrahend और difference को add करने पर हमारा जो आंसर आया, जो हमारा सम आया वो minuend ही है, इट मीन्स दैट वी हैव डन आवर सम करेक्टली. अगर यहाँ पे हमारा minuend नहीं आया, अगर सपोज देयर इज सम डिफरेंस इन दिस आंसर, इट मीन्स दैट कि हमने इसको माइनस गलत किया है. अगर हमने ठीक किया होता तो हमारा ये जो रिजल्ट था, ये जो आंसर था, ये हमारा यही minuend आना चाहिए था अगर हम subtrahend और डिफरेंस को ऐड करते तो. सो here we go. To check your answer, then add the subtrahend, जो हमने यहाँ किया, subtrahend to the difference. Add the subtrahend to the difference. If you get your minuend, then your answer is correct. That is, add subtrahend and difference together to get the minuend, to check the answers. If you want to check your answer of the subtraction sum, then you do like this. So here's another topic. Find the missing minuend. Now, here we have subtrahend and the difference. Answer of the sum is given, but the different minuend is not given to us. So, what to do now? We know that if we want to check our minuend, if we want to find out our minuend, then we will add subtrahend and difference together to get the minuend. टू चेक, जैसे ही हमने यहाँ देखा था कि चेक करने के लिए subtrahend और डिफरेंस को ऐड कर देंगे टू गेट अवर minuend. सो यहाँ हमें minuend गिवन नहीं है, तो हमें पता है हमें क्या करना है. वी हैव टू ऐड subtrahend एंड द डिफरेंस टुगेदर टू गेट अवर minuend. सो लेट्स डू अवर कैलकुलेशन. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. Here 1 and 1 carry over here. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. So again 1 here and 1 carry over. 7 plus 5 becomes 12. 12 plus 1 carry 13. It becomes 3 and 1 carry over. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 1 18. So it becomes 8 here and 1 again carry over here. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So our minuend comes 78311, 78,311. So we'll put here to check whether we have done correctly or not. 311. So just check it कि हमने माइनस ठीक, हमने यहाँ पे ऐड ठीक किया है. अभी हमें पता लग जाएगा. 1 minus 3. So we have to take borrowing from here. We'll borrow 1 from here. It becomes our 11. It becomes 0. 11 minus 3 becomes 8. 0 में से 4 हम minus नहीं कर सकते. So we have to take borrow from here. So it becomes 2 and here 10. 10 minus 4 6. 2 से 7 नहीं जा सकते. Again we have to take borrow. So it becomes 7 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 7 becomes 5. 7 में से 8 भी नहीं जाते. Again we have to take borrow. So it becomes 6 and it becomes 17. 17 minus 8 becomes 9 and 6 minus 4 is 2. It means that जो हमने minuend निकाला है वो correct है. Now we know if the minuend is not given, we have to add the difference and the subtrahend together to get our minuend. The formula to take out this is minuend is equals to subtrahend plus difference. If we want to find out our minuend, then subtrahend and difference is added together. Subtrahend और difference को अगर हम add कर देंगे तो हमारा minuend आ जाएगा. Now the next is find the missing subtrahend. अब हमें पता है माइनस का सम निकालना हो तो यहाँ पे हमें पता है डिफरेंस निकालते हैं. अब हमने नेक्स्ट टर्म में देखा find the missing minuend. Now the third term is find the subtrahend. Now subtrahend is not given, minuend and difference is given, but subtrahend is not given. So what to do now? Now what we'll do, we'll subtract difference from minuend. Minuend में से हम difference को subtract कर देंगे तो हमारा subtrahend आ जाएगा. अगर हम minuend में से difference को subtract कर देंगे तो हमारा subtrahend आ जाएगा. Here I have used these short forms. MIN stands for minuend, SUB stands for subtrahend, and DIFF stands for difference. So we'll subtract difference from the minuend. 5 minus 7, it doesn't goes. So we'll have to take borrowing. It becomes 15 and it becomes 3. 15 minus 7 becomes 8. 3 minus 4, again it doesn't goes. We have to take borrowing. 13 minus 4. So it becomes 9. 2 में से 4 नहीं जाएंगे. Again we have to take borrow. It becomes 3 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 4 comes 8. 13 में से 8 नहीं जाएंगे. Again we have to take borrow. It becomes 7 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 becomes 5. 7 minus 3 goes 4. So our answer comes 45,898. Now we'll check कि हमने ये सम ठीक किया है कि नहीं किया. So we will write the subtrahend in this column. Our subtrahend comes out 45,898. अब हमें इसमें से subtract करना है so that we know कि हमने ठीक किया है कि नहीं किया. 15 minus 5 minus 8. 5 में से 8 नहीं जाता. We have to take borrowing from here. It becomes 15 minus 8, 7. So here comes 3. 3 भी नहीं जाएगा. ये 2 हो जाएगा and ये 13. 13 minus 9, 4. 2 में से 8 नहीं जाएंगे. Again we have to take borrow. 12 minus 8 comes 4. 3 में से 5 भी नहीं जाएगा. ये 7 and this is 13. 13 minus 5, 8 and 7 minus 4, 3. It means that कि हमने subtraction हमारा जो था हमने correctly निकाला है. We have taken out our subtraction sum correctly. So here we know how to find out the missing minuend and the missing subtrahend. When we have to find out our missing minuend, then we add the subtrahend and the difference together to get our minuend. And when we have to find out our subtrahend, then we have to subtract the difference from the minuend. डिफरेंस को minuend में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमारा subtrahend आ जाएगा. और subtrahend निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है subtrahend इज इक्वल्स टू minuend माइनस डिफरेंस. यही किया हमने. subtrahend हमें निकालना था तो हमने डिफरेंस को minuend में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. थैंक यू. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस टॉपिक then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon to get the next notification of my next video. Thank you.